Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to share a post to a friend's timeline on Android. If you're someone who wants to share interesting posts with your friends, then this tutorial is for you. In this video, we'll take you through the simple steps to share a post to a friend's timeline on Android. First, find the post that you want to share. Once you've found the post, look toward the bottom of the screen and tap on the Share button. This will open up a drop-down menu with a few different options. From here, select Share to News Feed. You can also select where you want to share the post by tapping on Feed. This will determine whether you want to share the post on your own timeline or in a group or page that you manage. Next, select To a Friend's Timeline. This will allow you to share the post to a specific friend's timeline. You can also select who can see your post. You can choose to share your post with everyone, just your friends, or a custom group of people. You can also enter an optional text, tag friends, or add your location, what you're doing, or how you're feeling. Once you've added any additional information or tags, tap Post. Your post will now be shared on your friend's timeline for them to see. It's important to note that you can't share posts with people who weren't part of the original audience. This means that if the post was shared with a specific group of people, you won't be able to share it with anyone else. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to share a post to a friend's timeline on Android. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this.